Inside Kotoko here on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Well, exactly 24 hours after Sasan Kotoko ball, the friendly game against Heart of Lions, a lot of news. And if we are cry, but any weakness, I got 2 days to the Democracy Cup. Okay. Many said Anje Bibi. My name is Prince Nimbeya. I feel Senior Santoko supporters name come on promo style no for Democracy Cup no kono. A bit risky kakra. Meaning say that's how we promote our matches. So yen kasi ebe show mo na supporters nembra share the see pano like you use curiosity and the promise of something sweet any idea promo style. Yes, the promise of something sweet in the buy ebe share to any budget.
Yes.
And curiosity is munim the air. So like you are in a hurry to go and look at the end abafu frona. Obi e ka wan asem no. Any the ton your matches. Into us steady the conversation in town around Kotoko house no. Oma supporters in the day. Oh, you be house. Coach for front no aba no mo head the all year. I say yes na.
Yeah.
But I also feel say so the sad in a ton match for a preseason game without drawing the fans' attention to the fact that it is a preseason game.
Yeah.
And the coach no kroba no undi even bosome. The border couple of Heart to Folk wa okruma
Yes.
Heart to Folk team no see can changes ninja bebre compared to Kotoko. Because on Kotoko part Kamara was your number 1 goalkeeper. Oko.
Yeah.
Your number 1 right back was Loramoa. Because of injury. Samba Ansu 4 and 5 on Waka Patrick Esilu. So you are building an entirely new defense.
Yes.
No court or there, but it's not a new defense. Your midfield Joe Adabo. Walid was not a starter.
Yeah.
So and then Walid in Pobe starter, it looks new. Front line there got to crash sana. Because there sa capita aqua Abetamu Kwame Poku. Anameba. If I'm wrong, help me out. I'm one and about most of the matches. Say no, Albert ni ho, Kwame Poku ni ho, Peter Akwa ni ho, Saka ni ho, Johnson Krobe ball kakra no so ni ho. To share any more part, the workers of more matches was Donzu.
Yeah.
Into your front three, Akabako. That is in Donzu. One granite saying. Then your midfield. Prince Bedibe ball more matches in the second round. Where Jano Coin?
Yeah.
Second round, Prince ball more matches than Adabo. Where's your Prince coin? Okay. You are not Baba, be never book a cra. Only hope you. Inti team no best 7 players. Every team no. New coach, Abba.
Yes.
In some moment, promo no quiet, Yabesha has. Yabesha has. What is here after 1 game? Maybe a nyoma anko according to plan. Na pressure no. Asha.
Yeah.
But this is a project. Don't think class one bass will be diagro. Also a bass will be many competitive for the league and also for the at least to be in the top 2.
Top 2, yeah.
But on here now after 1 game, na panic button there at TSC. And that can completely change everything. Inti ase me share almost star no mo de ton match no. Last day match no the supporters in there ton.
Yes.
Me share the omo can ye be share omo, ye be omo say do we still have to be doing that during preseason? Where come on ye be share during preseason. Me name your take on that. Me they ask me who they say the communication style no ye bibi Sahama me de ba. Maybe I may imagine maybe a Kotoko ne house in the SSA near the town in the abat. I said, Obi, I said, well, Parliament on Tanzania, we are going to media man.
Boss, so when we need it, we know Yadrin part because I think that this is a new project, new style, new direction. Na Kotoko Babeko. And he said, you also raise the hopes of Asante Kotoko supporters. Ne Koba say game no berry and team na ntimia mo send your supporters na pe na ebia na me mfasa ma o team de kokolusu a anhwe ya na nsem bibiri asaka hoba na pressure kwa ba be ko coach ne so pressure ba be ko players ne so pressure ba be ko board ne so etina I think say nka by now no because now so bad okay we ne kwa na who do you blame? You can't blame the supporters much because when they lead Asante Kotoko PR ne sisi a when e ba bonten ba be kan bibia kire supporters ne say look ball ne dey nim Kotoko ne across of folk rivalry ne say grow him but a pre-season sisi a Man City ne
top PR unit one head
when sisi e da no Man City ne Arsenal boy ya City elusu by 3-0
community shield.
Yes, they community shield nim no almost supporters no they are they've made them know say oh okay fine you should 3-0 there name in season ase it no baby a sinto one ye kwakọ fix ye be season ase the team will be good to go it the supporter no on fa expectations do na amfa nko first game nim and as a pre-season nim because yamana ya away of na bitimi asi a new structure a new system enti Kotoko dia no so no same people need to start talking now catch you almost say look you rivalry no the that across of folk ne Kotoko ntem but no crepa ne say team no enyan do the peak levels na e betimi ama yes ade no fine we are one of game e betimi aba na Kotoko wini e bia 2-0 e bia 3-0 it doesn't mean the team is good e betimi aba na Kotoko nso alusu it doesn't mean the team is bad but team no e we in the face of a rebuild it no sa the hopes na Kotoko supporters no yeah we bia wo kan sa we betimi atwe amanfo aba stadium de na supporters leadership no as see ne be kan say omo na aba be team ne focal no omo na ti say no mo lead team ne talks no ye be sere se chairman solo ene ne team ne nkasa kakra na omo supporters na aka ne ntia say this is just a pre-season game a normal game bia ye ba be bo curtain raiser we can get curtain raiser mpo just a pre-season tournament bi na mobo na fe ni apɛ winner na eno ano minim say bragging rights ne eda ho de was Obed say ye ka say ye sorry sisi ya aka say team na ye na e bia nkosa supporters ne be disappointed so me I think say omon tete so kakra but ote so so a why na e ba be ka bibia kire no unye obi a oba wonten abeka bibia sisi a sisi na ye the ye be yet from the brand's manager David Obenhonoma na yet on one but communication why na lead the PR on the Asante Kotoko but if say we there's a board no kran so bad we na me dwen ho kran say we there's a board no kran enyan communication team they can appoint some of the media men to do the work interim mo de munkuta kakrama for now until say after the better communication team I think that would be best say with the media team nensa journalist we kuma say no hwehwe ma fine yanka ya mo bia din say bia kofa wi but clearly you can sit down and call some people to get the job done for you e wo hono say be ya supporters ne be team me bia sisi a but the koba say ye ba be kono normal Asante Kotoko we ni sa Kotoko be sha na amasa so bad the problem be kuma say pa
you are taking a big gamble looks like gamble
yes.
Say team ne share the ana say chiri but hearts no say hearts na bia amfa
yes
ne ba be cap
yes
na afi mum na wo sa be ka church tafo so munya abo
na pre-season
ne match ne pre-season what communication strategy across nyina here Kotoko be kan say Kotoko be share house and mpo an nkoma ekoso nti e say ehwe ho asem ka I think say I have my own view regards to how they are doing it no ewo eyem komonum Mr. View na to answer no so yes right. To answer no so can we confirm with mount because for those who are interested in the returns of some old players Danlad Ibrahim any Kotoko pre-season
yes
ya can only send me now let's confirm the news that a 2-year contract and Danlad Ibrahim ebe peke ewa Asante Kotoko nye na simple ebe peke wa Asante Kotoko na Richard Bodu Agadas
okay
also completed the medicals and from the news coming is that medicals was successful
good
the technical team is okay with him
okay
and he's on the verge of signing a contract with Asante Kotoko so 2 years and Richard Bodu befa now quick question Danlad Agadas what exact role and omit me a play was Asante Kotoko this season. Me and find some number for patu pani.
So but leadership, they bring in straight on their back, and also omuni Asante Kotoko coach are not ready. So omubeboa with the players now honum CCI, you know. That is it. And also you know almost had the experience in Neseba. Because these are players are luckily for Asante Kotoko, omuni na bo Kotoko no omo captains ansa no moko. Danlad was once upon a time a captain. Agadas once upon a time a captain. And omuni no nyina agya woko inti no omo decide leadership and never serve back to the dressing room. Then they understand the Asante Kotoko culture very well, especially Danlad. Danlad crowd were far ranks in mu pa. Ti ono crowd what Kotoko system na see ye pa than any other player be o sisi ya.
Joining Kotoko at age 16 and so some months.
Yes, so you see less than 18 years. Nunya krenya 18 and no back Kotoko. And team no dey onim team no
under 17.
So ono crowd dey onim team ni ye pa. Enti omo amaka no so no can learn the team culture no so from Danlad. After one kasa also betimi so atna one ama boys actual boys no the Asante Kotoko na stand for. And what it means playing for Asante Kotoko. Nti ono ne de ohonum so betimi ayesa adwuma na de amom. Then experience. Goalkeeper Dari Aziz, goalkeeper Cleverson. Now they can learn from Ibrahim Danlad in goal post. Until the side by the time Krana, Danlad be born 2 years na if Krasa on to also be with Asante Kotoko Krana as Obed. By the time Obekono, now I believe say Dari Aziz and Cleverson I swear they be brave from him. Because he has a lot of experience in the Ghana Premier League. And to make him and never be bro meeting you swear they free no. Then with Richard Bodu Agadas and so a very good study for Lawson. Because now you say Lawson there or what be team the project. And you know, team no person mon e fan kakanga krasa no mo de neko. And if Lawson we be teaming at the best out of him partners Obed, it is helping him with these experienced guys no more around no. With that gadas mo no, o metimi aso mu, o metimi atenetene no. Sa pepepe. Unyan bi sa na. By the time on so agadas nso enwie na dwuma no. Na Lawson nso emu emiye yie. These two players are bringing on board leadership. They are bringing on board the culture of the club. And also, they are bringing on board experience. So these are crucial signings. These guys on the coach. So I'm really happy.
Of some young
yes, and also the development.
The Danlad for Cleverson. Agadas for Lawson.
For Lawson.
Wow.
These guys.
Now, for those who also feel that new guys, matured guys, they would one word the other. On the Agadas Aba, Ibianka Fina Lawson, be more playing time.
Yeah.
Ebia Agadas Bano Wabano, Ebabe limited the playing time of Ebia Lawson. Which was also be a clever son, Kebi Benya Fika Bia Damana Edala ne Aziz. Tibia clever synchronia binda.
Yes.
Do you see it that way, or you still for that no? As long as Nipani training, our picking under the wings, you know. It's much better to learn from that observation than learning from playing time. I don't know how you take it on that angle. So.
Yes, Sisi and Elias Obed. I say, minim coach na dream, and I don't know what will happen at the training grounds. A bit me about training grounds, not lost and overpower power. I chain Agadas. Never say coach ni bihiano. Even with that, so bad. Even with Crasser loss and crown, a modern boy pager, training or games na Asante Kotoko be bonim. You will still need somebody ubetimi asua bibi from and then the if say the game time because you know Asante Kotoko can't really 100% say they are going into a major season with Lawson as Nikki Debbie fine Lawson you're good but you need some of these players to help Lawson managing the game time no onye do time or somebody workload ni na ama no Kotoko pressure no so pa you know so we obi a obetimi na cha bon kakra oye mistake somebody who can call him and tell him say hasi no next time you say next time fato hasi no coach ni dey betimi aka bibia kire no but imagine so bad only player no Agadas ejina park na so na Agadas mum ka kire o say you say na nka dey to sase yanka beboa next time position who say you say entino obon say onwie no na time obia no ne modern body peja na onyini wo bo onim na o te ase o ti ni rule na see ye pa because the rule now one very sensitive. So you need people omo tesa rule na se pan yi se be ya obetimi ahya se kakran sa na ode ba ni game time ne de your games ni bi won ma best start your games ni bi won ma gathers be from bench your game ni bi won ma loss no so be from bench so but esa improve your squad depth no so sa kan because when say agathers abre na okotena nche na loss na eba or loss na bo game ni bi na ode agathers eba you know so ukuta a good squad then with Danlad then they him said na Danlad will surely be imposed no as number 1 then Dari Aziz but Cleverson also no will get some minutes no so but also no me no I want him to use that opportunity to learn
from the big boys.
Yes, because that time when they with these two guys no or time no they were many pa and no omo ento omo bo ase no omo fo mani mfama no omo nsua bibi sa kakra sa and by the time enu omo so no na nya free na omo ba be with orientation no so me that I think that with one. Yes, Agadas and Danlad inclusion, whether they start or from the bench, they are still going to be key members of the team.
You need some of these big boys in the dressing room. Yeah. They're Prince, Eddie Tuja. Now, Prince, you move to the next conversation. Kotoko still want to strengthen certain positions.
Okay.
And then now the news coming in, Ruben Henderson.
Yes.
Prince,
Ruben Pa.
And then I'm a concept, Ruben Henderson. Who is Ruben Henderson? Because there's a tester or had the man position or and a man cut team over. Who is Ruben Henderson?
Ruben Henderson, a centre back.
A centre back.
Emma.
When you're supposed to a right back.
Oh, there be centre back. Centre back. Edema the club Heart of Lions. On the nation JC number 4.
Hey.
JC number 4.
Praise. With you.
You're correct profile and about you. JC number 4 on the nation. Edema Heart of Lions team no. Na Heart of Lions.
How that was no. Come beat our baby kakra.
Oh, in the
board is why centre back.
Hennessy. So bad, Hennessy there no. Hennessy me man why. Hey. What the echo anymore member? Me be ama. Because oh, but Hennessy there so bad. Or top.
Okay.
Top notch pa.
He's well known in the league.
Top. Oh Hennessy there any problem or actually or qualities no. So but Heart of Lions actually no ne Ebenezer Aban.
Okay.
And then boss centre back. Bismarck enim Yao Danso.
Okay.
Right back enim left back.
Yao Danso right back. Bismarck enim left back.
Yes.
Ruben Hennessy.
Ene Aban.
As
centre backs.
Kai unim team no.
Omo na bought team no back four.
Na Lawrence was said them as na two nine. No Lawrence was
yes. Na me so me ko ba me bra. Na sa team na mu na eche dogli mu no Ishmael Adom wo no.
Michael Epson mo.
Team no.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Say no mu team. Oh 23 man. No na Freeman.
Yeah, the Liberian striker.
No asiri tiri mo.
Big Junior. I'm also the Danten.
Yes, omu team no so bad. Na no shepa. Omu chiri ho no ne de. Na top. Anti. 26 years.
Nya botre. Ma me nya me story. Na oni no. Ko go vi oni no.
So about 3 seasons only game. 3 seasons.
Ma me nya me story.
Combined games of 88.
Assemble nya botre Prince ma me nya me story. Now, Ruben Henderson was linked to FC Mediama. Inti me credit is Mediama for a complete Henderson deal no. Okay. But it turns out that as a community different. Boy now ko Mediama. Wanko Mediama. He was a player. Me catch come say I said boy and they will come Mediama for stealing the quick goals. I'm out for attention baby call Ebenezer Alban so. Yes. But the perfect partner for Ebenezer Alban was Ruben Henderson. But not fragging was Alban the captain. Oh, he was the face of their defense. That's true. Yeah, that's not about it, you know. The kind of right back with Kruma. Or ball right back to Javi. Wow. Meantime, me so a ball right back or a right back no bet me a control ball. Who wing gane ba no atwon. Okay. Obed susu e ball na the amount. Okay. Ya down so. Ne right back. Ewurade nyame a kono keke. Wow. The Damia Aves right back ni midfielder. As a midfielder no obi onim Ghana league bi anim no. Hey. Top player. Obe piano you beso. Top player. But on the Diamba system because everybody was talking about Ebenezer Alban. Alban. I had to send one call nations. Sekufo.
Yeah.
Ona ne ye adwuma no ma Rasa Simpson. Ofuro na Oko Gripman. Esu gina Simpson nchen.
Yes.
O say ball na ye bon. Ye odi ono ye gidigidi no. Na ama de ba ko gina kire ono pra. Oh, pra.
Yeah.
Inti do ye gidigidi ye ta atwe no. Cause on the call first to the ball. Now the ono there chire ye betwe ewie na the other ba no ho ode ne so ate. No no afa simple.
Okay.
There omo no tie e difference no. But you no kon mu no pa na ehu no. That was a brand friend no. Ruben Hennessy. Inti amount attention in so. But they make me a catcher on here say he's a top player.
Top player.
He understands the league.
Yes.
And his inclusion e bet me aboa san to Kotoko.
Very very.
But ya ntie say Kotoko for ato mo sa frɛ.
Okay.
Omo ato mo sa frɛ Ruben Hennessy.
Yes.
Say omo pese oba. Piles ba fo ewu ade ne de age no.
Okay.
Say ewu aye senior man. On say board ewu osimuntem. Piles simuntem.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
But I did them think like yada Piles your ball. Ne ball.
Born.
Me say I have watched defenders. Open defender ni ball.
A bopa.
Chance here. Pass e ba no control say. Sa ball no bit me control no dey ato from say. Piles no.
Hey.
Oh. Only speed. Me dem say me masem no. So bottom say na oni akwala na e ko be how.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
But the intelligence around his defending top notch. Nchom no ma opon afrane. Eji din wo Kimfesa.
Okay.
Because now edru ednom to bot three back.
Yeah.
No opon in between Richard Akrofi and a Piles Bafo ewa.
Okay.
Now Akrofi now Piles Bafo ewa na ojima senior man for mienu a. Now one by boy yet to say as they do na Achebi. Melan Skriniar Bastoni.
Yes.
Bastoni ni so Achebi ni senior. The Vrij senior.
Yeah.
Stefan Divro
the kind of
na ebi a Melan Skriniar. To the Bastoni no no nemu. A bad pass. Says defender ball pass. Tailor made pass. Now be pause so trust me.
Hey.
Pious. And no tina almost sending the video ma Tinkler no. Not Tinkler born Honda no. Because Tinkler pay defenders are. And now also can so possessive base.
Yes.
Into pay defenders are. Though you are good when it comes to act or defending. But person ball no so shut to. Na ball near there. Home man.
Wow.
But Pious there no. Oduko tum perivona perivose there. Pious enyini ka krenti no. And I'm a Pious do na there. And go through. And he said no must switch my attention to Ruben Hennessy. Not so much known.
Yeah.
How the Ghana league setting.
Yes.
But I can tell you, sir, he's one player that Ujinu Mwa dance I'm not sure someone sabisi for. Inti oma freno.
Okay.
Some be some hene kakra.
Okay.
Onzo no so kan mo alliance o mo fie mi ensa no.
Asono. Okay. Okay.
And that is the news coming in. Minim kakra be so on Ruben Hennessy na. Ye di akwe.
So that Ruben Hennessy bought 3 seasons in the league.
Okay.
Yes, 2023, 2024 season, 31 games, 1 goal. 2024-2025 season, 31 games. 2025-26 season, 26 games. Combined games of 88. And our born Ghana Premier League in him. Washa 1 goal and our 12 yellow cards. Last season, OD 5 yellow cards. That is 25-26 season, you know, OD 5 yellow cards. Now, the games against Asante Kotoko, 2 games. Baku Kumase, Baku Pandu. Back the Okumase no so be about 90 minutes with the yellow card game near and day 0-0. Then the return fixture na course work Pandu no and also so na mamen kai man for say na our first round no na round 4. Round 4 na 0-0 no Okumase. And the Koko ball the second round no which was 31st January 2025. And a ball 2026 na ball sa game. Nti na ye see new year ni ma na ye be see bosome fufu. And a ball with the return leg no e work Pandu and also na ye Kotoko Heart of Lions 90 minutes and a boy Heart of Lions share Kotoko 3-1. This game no obekai say Michael Danso Ali Fowles ne Seed of Asante and share 3 goals na dem Lions and na Samba O'Neil share 1 goal in the market to and so boy chire on kama pa on aban and the ball center back no na no den pa. He's a top top player. As Asante Kotoko team, Edeneba, Obebua Kotoko team in the year. Because now I was wondering, such a player will honor as a amount for any corner, whom amount for Saddam discussing no baby, but he is a top notch player. So we yana Edeneba beka Kofi Bini, and who were Chirihonum, Ebeka Hamzata, who were Chirihonoma. Oh, so bad. It is going to be fantastic. With Asante Kotoko style, the heights in the way come up. We are rest assured they say aerial balls, maybe obey me winning more amount. And also, and who's sweating? Oh, yeah. Obey me so I say bullying in society media amount. Or children one of the we are rest assured of solidity. Okay. That is what I love about Ruben Hennessy. He's a top player.
Mama Fawin can say Ruben signed 3 years without of allowance.
Okay.
He's a free agent. Was signing 3 years without of allowance. 3 years in Aso.
Okay.
That's 2023. And signing 3 years without of allowance.
Yes.
Around July, say I say August. Yes, well, I sweep him. Now he's a free agent. So if the Kotoko technical team, also no or Tebayut.
Okay.
Oh no, Tebayut.
Okay.
And Division 1 or the best defender in 2023. Wow. Ghana Division 1.
Wow.
Yes, Ruben Hennessy no. And allowance for near quick low share high.
That's right.
And never share a year. I kind of saying Pandu. And it's about 3 years now. Sabri coach Eric Tinkler say of a sort channel. Now Otimono left footed.
Yes.
Or no ball left and now Albany ball right.
Yes.
It's your better sending and your man beko. Eddie Amasan took a common. But for those who understand the league, he's been around for 6 years, Division 1 and also the Premier for 6 years.
Yeah.
And in terms of salary, the minimum say Laos normal salary in your side because with me a body ticket to and I strongly believe that when he joins the team for this preseason and for this campaign, he will definitely leave with flying colors. Ruben Hennessy is not a player that you probably even need to question any ability when it comes to the Ghana Premier League. For the Kotoko fans, recruitment is ongoing, and that is the latest. If you are Kotoko, come, Baba. Yerema on the Obed Network. Bye bye.